The wind coming up the driveway. Pretty brutal. Quad's getting clean. Look at that. The mud's coming off. I gotta finish off the video with this telephone with my cell phone camera. Ran out of batteries with the Canon. But basically what you have here is the Garfield Pull Box Scraper that I use for plowing snow and cleaning up my road. And I'm about, I don't know, maybe 2/3 of the way being done on the road. And but you get the drift. You go back and forth with this darn thing. And you can't cut with it. It's not really heavy like a road grader where you can actually cut. But you can stir up, you know, you can stir up the aggregate or what's left of the aggregate until you get enough material to sort of fill in most of the hard spots. And once you've generated enough aggregate on the road or dirt or whatever you're using, shale, whatever it is that your road's made of, then you can go back and shape it a little bit. But you first have to have material to work with. So what I did this last, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes, was take 4 or 5 passes, and the intent was to clean the rocks off and the sticks and stuff like that, drop down the ditches here and there to bust them free. And now that I've got some aggregate turned up, I'll go back and use this machine right here to shape the road a little bit. I want to have a little bit of a crown, I mean to the extent that you can. That helps keep the water to the sides, but since I don't have to find ditches, it only helps somewhat. If you saw the first set of pictures, well, I did this road about a year ago, and it's lasted to this big set of rainstorms, and now I've got a mess. But thank God I've got this kind of equipment to clean it up. Otherwise, I'd have to hire somebody to come in here with a big grader or something like that. But a whole lot more capable than simply a you know, a back blade or just a typical box scraper. Just simply couldn't do what I do with this. Now, part of the secret to this machine right here is obviously you have the tilt and all that, which is cool, but really what makes it work is the fact that you can carry the material. So for example, I'll take 3 or 4 more passes where I drag the material that got washed down the road back up into the road so I can go back and shape it later. But so instead of fishing, what I wanted to do, and I need to start getting ready for hay. The hay looks beautiful. So before I even get there, I have to make this road where it's passable with a hay wagon, because the way it was, a full load of hay in one of those wagons would just pinch the tires off and bust tires. It's just too rough. The rocks were too much exposed. It was a mess. But we've had just terrible rains. Back to work.